probably. Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic, tense. So take out your notebook and write down this. Tense. The word tense has derived from the Latin word tempus. This is the Latin word. Tempus means time. Tempus is a Latin word, and the meaning of this Latin word is time. Now look at the body here. First, time, and time can be divided into three types: the present, second in the past, and third one is the future. The tense word is derived from the Latin word tempus. Tempus means time. Time can be divided into three types: the present, the past, the future. And there are three types of tenses. These are the three types of tense. Got it? So there are how many types of tenses in English? Three. The present tense, past tense, and future tense. Now these three types are divided in four subkinds. So three subkinds are there. Main, but we are dividing them in four subkinds. First one is simple. Second is continuous. Third is perfect. Fourth is perfect continuous. So these are the subkinds of the tense. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Each tense have these four kinds. Got it? So total 4 into 3, how many types of tenses in English? 12 types of tenses in English. So these 12 types we are going to learn in one table and with the formulas also. How to make sentences with the help of these formulas. Here this is the tense. How many types of tenses? The present, second, the past, third, future. Correct? Now these main types of tenses, three, they are divided into four subkinds. First one is simple, second is continuous, third is perfect, fourth is perfect continuous. So now how to read this table? This is very important. Look at the board here. Present, simple, present, continuous, present, perfect, continuous. How to read this table? When you are writing this table, you must know how to read the table. Likewise, past, simple, past, continuous, past, perfect, perfect continuous. The same here in future. So total how many types of tenses? If you count these boxes, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 3s are 12. As we learned earlier, how many types of tenses in English? 12 types of tenses. So with the help of this table, we can learn all these 12 types of tense. Now the first one, here I am writing the formula: S plus PS or ES plus RS means subject. S means what? Subject. Phi means were. He means were. And I. S stands for subject. P stands for were. RS means rest of the sentence. This is the abbreviation. Abbreviation means short form. You must know. Because we are using these short forms in all these 12 types. Now example we will see. He writes a letter. So this is what? Subject. This is what? Verb. Now this is S is there. That's why S and ES we have written here. When the subject of the sentence is he, she and it, we are going to add S or ES after the verb. Here right is verb, that's why we have added S because subject is he. If the subject is I write a letter. If the subject is I, they, you and we are not adding S or ES. When we add S or ES, when there is a subject he, she and it. Understood? So he writes a letter. She writes a letter. It works better. Understand? So this is the very important rule for this. Now this is the simple present tense. Present simple. Now second one is present continuous. The formula is subject plus M is R plus PING plus rest of the sentence. The same sentence we can write in this. How? He, what will come? M is R is writing a letter. Understood this? If we write this sentence in continuous, I am writing a letter. Understood? This is continuous tense. Present continuous. Now, present perfect tense. Subject plus have, has plus P3 plus rest of the sentence. P3 means what? Third form of the verb. P3 means third form of the word. For example, write. Write is P1, P2, wrote, and P3 is written. So what will come here? He has written a letter. This is present perfect. We can write this sentence in present perfect. How? I have written a letter. This is the end of present perfect tense. Now present perfect continuous. Subject plus have, has plus been plus PING plus rest of the sentence. The same sentence we can write in the present perfect continuous. How? Sanjeev, he has been writing a letter. So this is the present perfect continuous. Now this sentence, how can you write in the present perfect continuous? I have been writing a letter. So here is the end of present tense. Understood this? Now let's come to the second type, the past tense. This is very simple. If you learn this table, you will understand better how to use continuous, perfect continuous tense in your writing. When you are writing letter, when you are writing paragraph or diary, these tenses will help you to write it properly and perfect. Understood? That's why this table is very important. Now past simple. Formula subject plus V2 plus rest of the sentence. This sentence can I write here? How? He Write. Wrote. Very good. Wrote a letter. He wrote a letter. This sentence.
I wrote a letter.
I wrote a letter. Correct. This is the past simple. Now past continuous. Subject plus was, were plus ing plus rest of the sentence. This sentence.
I was writing.
This one. He was writing
a letter.
a letter. Now this sentence, how can you convert this sentence into past continuous?
I was
writing a letter. Simple. Now past perfect tense. Subject plus had plus V3 plus rest of the sentence. How can you convert this sentence into this one?
I had.
He had written a letter. This is past perfect. Correct. Now past perfect continuous. Subject plus had plus been plus ing plus rest of the sentence. This sentence here, how can you write? He had been writing a letter. This is the past perfect continuous. Here is the end of past tense. Got it? Now the last tense is future tense. Future simple. Subject plus shall, will plus P1 plus rest of the sentence. Now here one important thing you should keep in mind: when to use shall and when to use will. When the subject of the sentence is I, we, then use shall. If the subject of the sentence is I and we, use shall. In other subject, in other case, use will. So here this sentence how you write? He will write a letter. This is future simple. A future continuous. The formula of future continuous is subject plus shall, will plus be plus bing plus rest of the sentence. The same sentence you can write here. He
Will be
writing a letter. Now convert this sentence here. This one. I write a letter. How you write? I shall be writing a letter. Understanding the difference? When the subject of the sentence is I or we use shall. Otherwise, he will, she will, it will, they will. I shall, we shall. This is the only difference in future tense. Now, the future perfect tense. Subject plus shall, will, plus have, plus V3, plus rest of the sentence. This sentence you can write here. Convert it. He will have written a letter. This is the future perfect tense. Now the last tense is future perfect continuous. Subject plus shall, will plus have plus be plus ing plus rest of the sentence. This sentence can you convert into future perfect continuous? He will have been writing a letter. That's right. This is the end of future perfect continuous and all 12 types of tenses. With the help of these table, you can write anything, any writer, article, diary, notice, letter of inquiry, letter of placing an order, letter to editor, formal letter, informal letter, anything you can write with the help of these 12 types of tenses. 90% English all over the world is spoken with the help of these 12 types of tenses. 10% English we can speak by using different grammar patterns or different types of sentence structures. So this is the most important thing in English grammar because this is the base. Understand? So if you learn these formulas, you can make the sentences. You can make your own sentences also. Got it? So this is the tense. Understood?